Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most influential self-help books of all time, How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. If you want to improve your relationships, get better at communicating, and become more influential in any area of life, this book is packed with timeless advice. Stick around because in the next 5 minutes, we'll break down the key lessons so you can start applying them in your life today. First, one of the biggest takeaways from Carnegie's book is the power of sincere appreciation. People crave validation and recognition. Carnegie teaches us to look for the good in others and express it genuinely. This builds trust and rapport quickly. The practical takeaway: make it a habit to sincerely compliment others on their efforts and achievements. Whether at work or with friends, people respond better when they feel valued. The second key principle is to become a great listener. Carnegie says that the best way to win friends is by listening more and talking less. People love to talk about themselves, and when you show genuine interest, they'll like you more. To apply this practically, ask open-ended questions and truly listen to the answers. Show that you care about their thoughts and experiences. Another powerful lesson from Carnegie is to avoid criticism and condemnation. When you criticize someone, they often get defensive, which shuts down the opportunity for meaningful connection. Instead, try to understand the other person's perspective and use encouragement rather than harsh words. In practice, this means reframing situations in a positive light. For example, instead of pointing out what someone did wrong, suggest ways they can improve. Here's a simple yet powerful tool: remember people's names. Carnegie teaches that a person's name is the sweetest sound to their ears. By remembering and using someone's name in conversation, you show respect and personal interest, which helps build rapport quickly. The practical step: practice repeating names when you meet someone new and make a mental note to use their name throughout the conversation. Another key to influencing people is to appeal to their desires. Carnegie teaches that people are most motivated by what they want. So instead of focusing on what you want, frame conversations and requests around how it benefits the other person. This is especially helpful in negotiations or persuading someone to your point of view. The practical takeaway: always think from the other person's perspective. Ask yourself, how can I present this in a way that speaks to their needs and desires? In conclusion, How to Win Friends and Influence People is packed with actionable advice that can transform your relationships. From offering sincere appreciation and listening more to using people's names and appealing to their desires, these principles are timeless. Start applying just one of these tips today, and you'll see how it can change your interactions for the better. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on personal development and communication skills. Let me know in the comments which principle from Carnegie's book you're going to try first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.